In this video, we're going to do a division problem, and we're going to use the distributive property to figure it out. So if we have a problem like this that says find 36 divided by 3 using the distributive property. So we need to find the answer by using the distributive property. And what is it? How does it work with division? If you look at the description below, I have links to another problem that I did using distributive property for multiplication. So it's a related link. So how does it work? So you break apart the bigger number to make it easier to divide. So this is the bigger number, right? We're trying to see how many times 3 fits into this. And so to use the distributive property, we need to break this apart. And so you can write 36 in expanded form, and you would write it in a way that is easier to divide. So 36 is made up of 30 and 6. 30 plus 6 is 36. So now you can use the distributive property to divide the number inside the brackets and then add. Okay? So how is that going to look? It'll look like this. You can divide the 3 into the 30 and then the 3 into the 6. So I've used different colors to highlight the two numbers, okay? So it'll look like this. So it'll be 30 divided by 3, and I've made that the same turquoise as the arrow, plus, here's the plus now, 6 divided by 3 with the pink. So that's how the distributive property works for division. So this is the answer. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 30 divided by 3, 3 fits into 30 10 times. 6 divided by 3, 3 fits into 6 2 times. Then you add and you get 12. And that's how you use the distributive property. And don't forget to download my ebook. It's in the description. You can follow along with these tutorials and you could take notes on your own. It'll be helpful for you.